I have seen lot of Web3 founders LinkedIn bios. See, if when you, let's say you are an investor and you're looking at somebody's profile, please make it very clear in your headline then what you're doing and how you're planning to help. See, I've seen a lot of headlines which say making world a better place to live, here to change the world, um, to the moon, and see, these are all good things. I'm not saying these are not good statements, but that gives, it's very ambiguous, right? People will not know, boss, what are you trying to say and what are you trying to sell. So a lot of people will not stay on your bio beyond your headline. So put it very clearly on your headline: founder of a Web3 company, RWA project, tokenization done, or launched on so and so platform, developer with 10 years of Web3 or blockchain experience, whatever you want people to understand. Just put it out very clearly in headline. That will save a lot of time. Second, please put a very, very clear and a nice picture. I know, as Web3, our fraternity also has a lot of people who, put on mask, or who put on some avatars and put on cartoons. I mean, unless you're doing something shady, or unless you're launching a meme token where you don't want your name to be known and all of that, it is fine. But I'm assuming everybody in this room is building something credible and nice in Web3. So please put out your picture, because that shows the social proof. People are like, oh, wow, yeah, I understand. This person is doing, so and so. I know that I know who the person is. There is a face to the name. So, the trust is immediate. And in the about section, just keep it crisp. You know, for me, the tip, when you're building your about section, it is your elevator pitch. What should the person know about you when he comes and lands on your profile? That's all you have to write. If possible, also keep your banner on the LinkedIn, about your project, about your book, about your token, about your company or something like that, because these 3-4 sections are your clickbaits on LinkedIn. Period. If you get these right, there is a very high probability that the person will go down, look at everything, all your profile, and then probably send you an ad request or send you a message saying, hey, I am exploring investing in RWA project, or I'm building an RWA and I'm looking at a developer, or whatever he wants to do. They will reach out to you. So the chances of getting an outreach on LinkedIn is very high if you get these things right. Again, there is no formula or measure on how many reach outs or how many responses you will get. But for me, I have been practicing this consistently for, I think, about more than 2.5-3 years now, and my at least response rate for my messages is about 90% when I reach out to investors, builders, entrepreneurs, when we want to put in money, when we want to raise money. People at least respond back saying, oh no, I'm not the right person, or you can talk to so and so. But LinkedIn has been a phenomenal engine for us, both in our fundraising efforts and also when we were doing deployment. So so I thought this is probably something that you all should go back and look at.